Aspen HYSYS includes reporting tools that let you customize stream properties and build structured simulation reports. This walkthrough is one of 800+ tutorials available to AspenTech users. Let's get into it.
After this topic, you will be able to modify the correlation properties reported for streams in the flowsheet, describe the various reporting tools in Aspen HYSYS, and develop custom reports using the Report Manager. Common reporting options enable us to view the key results for a specified stream or unit operation. We can get some of the key results of streams from the Conditions, Properties, and Compositions pages for the stream. For a unit operation, the Worksheet and Performance tabs provide the calculation results for key variables. The Aspen HYSYS Workbook function enables us to customize the results view, allowing for additional properties or specific stream conditions. Stream properties are contained separately from stream conditions and, as the name suggests, offer additional information about the stream. Using the Correlations Picker, we can select which properties we want to be reported. The Correlation Manager, which can be accessed from the Home tab of the ribbon Simulation Group, can be used to configure properties for all streams in our case. Creating a spreadsheet linked to desired conditions and parameters will enable us to get more detailed information about the flowsheet object. With essentially complete access to all process variables, the spreadsheet is a powerful report tool in Aspen HYSYS. Data tables monitor the key process variables of any object on the simulation flowsheet. The data tables are fully interactive. That is, specified variables can be manipulated, and the calculated variables will be updated automatically. The variables in the data tables can be exported to Excel. The flowsheet-based reporting options are accessed by right-clicking on a unit operation or a material stream and selecting Show Table. This table will show the key process variables for the respective objects of the flowsheet. We can customize the table to view the specific process conditions as well. For simulation-wide reports, we can use Simulation Summary tools. From the Home tab of the ribbon, we can access helpful simulation-wide reports such as Model Summary and Flowsheet Summary. The Model Summary grid displays inputs and outputs for both material streams and unit operations. We can include an embedded, real-time link to Excel using Aspen Simulation Workbook. The Flowsheet Summary contains important material and energy balance details, including information about included process utilities and CO2 emission tracking. Some of these utilities can be exported into Microsoft Excel. Using the Aspen HYSYS Workbook and the Setup option from the Workbook tab, we can generate an Excel report. The model summary and the data tables can be exported to Excel in a tabular format, while the Report Manager can automatically create a new Excel report. Each of these options have predefined templates that create reports with consistent formatting. The Report Manager allows us to manage the datasheets from all streams, unit operations, and other calculations in the simulation model and combine them into a single report. In the Report Manager, the report can be customized by selecting the datasheets corresponding to various unit operations, streams, etc. The report can be comprised of individual or group datasheets. The datasheet can be customized by selecting the desired data blocks. We can export the data in the Report Manager to Excel. In this video, we will add a stream correlation in the sample case. We will export the report using a datasheet in the Report Manager. The generated report can be exported to Excel as well. Load the example case ammonia synthesis. To add additional properties for a material stream, double-click the Material Stream 10 to open its specification form. Within the Properties page, we can use the controls in the Property Correlation Controls group to modify the list of properties and correlations shown. Select Append New Correlation to open the Correlation Picker window, where we can view a grouped list of available properties and correlations. In this case, we will add the hydrocarbon dew point for this stream. Expand the gas correlation group, select HC dew point, and click Apply to add it to the property list for Material Stream 10. This process can be repeated for other properties and other streams. These remaining controls in the Property Correlation Controls group allows us to view, move, sort, delete, and save the correlation set. Saving the correlation set will allow us to copy the format for other streams. Now, if we want to customize properties or correlations for all streams, we can do so using the Correlation Manager. The Correlation Manager can be accessed from the Home ribbon, Simulation screen, by clicking the dialog box launcher. Here, find and select the HC Dew Point correlation and click Activate Selected Global Correlations to add the HC Dew Point for all the streams on the process flowsheet. All streams on the process flowsheet will now display the HC Dew Point. Now, let's generate a report that contains this additional property. The Reports Manager can help manage the datasheets from all the streams, unit operations, and other calculations. Load it by navigating to the Home tab of the ribbon and clicking the Reports button. We can create predefined text reports such as a full report, stream report, heat profiles, and column profiles for the entire process flowsheet. To begin creating a custom report, click Create. Now, the Report Builder opens. The report will be created by combining information from multiple datasheets into a single formatted report. Click the Insert Datasheet button to add a new datasheet. Because we added a new correlation for all the streams, we should add the stream datasheets to this report. Select Pick All Objects of a given type and select the stream type to add all stream objects on the flowsheet in the report. Click Add. Then close the dialog. All streams now appear in the main window of the Report Builder. Click Preview to preview the datasheet. Go back to the Report Manager to export this report to Excel. In the Excel Reports group, click Browse Template and select a built-in template, HYSYS Work. Click Create to create a new Excel report, which automatically contains the data from the current state of our flowsheet.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in the description to take a short quiz to learn more.